Sunshine. So I literally like 2 minutes ago got my mail delivered and I got Ricky's Cold Crushes in the mailbox. Now, first and foremost, I want to say I am a little nervous about this box because I'm already finding inconsistencies. So first thing is today is July 20th, right? I got a message last week that my box shipped. So it took a week to get here. No problem, but it's the middle of the month and I got this box. Last month, I got this box on the very last day of the month. So literally there's like a 2-week difference between when I got the box last month and when I got the box this month. I know that happens and that's usually not a big deal. However, I'm also like, why is the entire box completely different? Because last time all I had was a small sticker that said Ricky's Cold Crushes on the box. Now that's just at least my personal preference, but why do we have a whole box right here that's like completely different? I don't know. I was like not super in love with the box that I got last month. However, I always try to put a positive spin on everything, but I'm a little nervous because those are like the shipping date and the arrival date of like when I got the box is like, there's a big difference. It's like 2 weeks difference and the box is completely different than when I got last month. So I'm a little nervous because I'm like, I hope this isn't a company that's like super duper always inconsistent. I don't think, like if this box is a good box, I will stay with them. But if this box is not a good box, I think I might cut my ties. But yeah, okay, Ricky's Cold Crushes is $15 a month. Yeah, with that said, I'm gonna pop it open. And this looks so different than what I got last month. Okay. So you guys remember what I complained about with the snakes? Well, I call them snakes. I call these little, the crinkle paper snakes. This actually looked like somebody cared enough to put my box together. So I have a little bit of hope. Okay, so snakes, yeah, okay, so basically, I don't really remember too much. I think you get 4 to 5 products that are mostly samples in Ricky's Cold Crushes. It's $15 a month. Yeah, I think this is mostly targeted around beauty more than actual makeup. But with that said, I really can't wait to get into this because it actually looks like somebody cared enough to like put together my box. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Bath Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum. Fluttering volume. Get flirty with lush, thicker, and softer lashes from Smack Beauty. Okay, first of all, I don't know if you guys can see, but the packaging for this is actually really, really cute. I don't know. I really love the peach for this box. It says, say what? More than just cheeky, Smack Beauty contains efficacious ingredients to help you make you your gorgeous self. What's in it for me? It's got pep. Peptide blend conditions lashes to create a beautiful, voluminous look. Gets you growing. Biotin is associated with healthy hair growth and texture. And then it has like how to use and all of that. But I think the packaging is actually really, really cute. So that's really, so far I'm not like hating. And like, it's a lot of like, look at all that extra cardboard they used for this tiny little product. But that's on this brand, not for, not Ricky's. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is cute. I'm kind of getting like Benefit vibes from this. Excuse my hair. I need a trim or something. My hair and I are not friends right now. So yeah, I'm getting Benefit vibes from this. And I expected this to be a mascara one, but it's not. It's a little just like a, just a brush. It doesn't really smell like much, but hey, okay, so we got a lash growth serum in here. I'm not mad at that at all. I don't think, like, I know last month they sent me, like, hair growth, like, biotin supplements. So that's cool that I kind of got, like, this, along the same lines, like, another, like, lash growth, kind of, like, hair, like, growth product in my box. I think that's really interesting. My hair is getting on my nerves. I'm sorry if I keep fiddling with it. It's just getting on my nerves. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out of the box is this thing. I can't wait to see what this is because it's got fire on it. Look at it, it's got fire. Okay. Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick from LA Splash. Okay, the packaging for this is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's in shade 911 Death Dealer. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, I'm freaking out about this. Okay, I can't even show you guys yet. Okay, I need to build the hype. Okay, so here's the package. Here's what the package looks like. This is one of the coolest packagings I've ever... Oh my God, wait, hold up. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but can you see the skull and crossbones right here? There's like a whole skull and crossbones pressed into the cardboard. Oh my God. And then we've got the fire. Oh my gosh, I am flipping out right now. Okay, but wait. Look at the lipstick. Oh my gosh. I don't even care if the formula is crap. I'm going to keep this. This is so amazing. Okay, so we got a little like flower thingy. I don't know. Like it's like 5 prongs holding up like a red gem. And then like, it's like side thingies. I don't know what they're called. And then we've got this little like circle thingy with dots in it. I'm so descriptive. I know my geometry. And then the bottom, we've kind of got like a pattern going at the base too. Oh my God. Okay. Literally the coolest packaging I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow. And it smells like vanilla. I'm literally shouting. I'm so sorry. Okay. So we've got, this is 911 Death Dealer. I don't have lipstick on, so here we go. Guys, look, I got lipstick on my teeth. Okay, first and foremost, when I put this formula on, I was like, it looks a little sheer, but the more I applied it, I was like, okay, this is actually like a full coverage. Like, I got a lot of pigment out of this lipstick. It did transfer onto my teeth and my tongue pretty quickly. And it is taking just a little bit to dry down. It still kind of feels like it's setting a little bit, but I love the feel of it because it does not feel tacky whatsoever. I also really, really like the applicator. Like, I'm used to these types of applicators being like hard and not really easy to manipulate, but the entire thing was like really easy to like bend and manipulate, so I could really get in nice with my Cupid's bow. It might look a little uneven. I am not the world's best liquid lipstick applicator. Like, I really suck at it, but however, I love the color of this. It's a really nice like dark pink, almost kind of purpley. It's really pretty, and now, like, now that I've stopped talking, it's actually completely dry. Let's see if it passes the kiss test. Not terrible. That is not actually horrible. I really just got the edges, and the edges is where I put the most like lipstick. Wow, I'm like literally this lipstick just made the entire box for me. I was going into this and I was like, it's gonna not be a great box because I already feel like they put on a front. Because like last month, maybe just like because I signed up and like they got me off of the wait list, they're like, oh no, we accidentally put too many people like off of the wait list and like took them in. So maybe they didn't have enough boxes, and maybe so they kind of just threw together the boxes maybe. But I don't know. Like, I can't make all their decisions and like judge them. I do feel like it's a little suspicious that there was 2 pretty big inconsistencies. However, this is literally the coolest lipstick I have ever seen in my entire life. It's made in the United States. Wow. Introducing our silkiest formula yet is all that it says to like describe it. Literally, I'm mad excited about this lipstick. I can't wait to see what else is in the box, but I really feel like nothing else is going to top that lipstick. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out are these things. Ricky Care Backstage Travel Cleansing Wipes. Removes makeup, tones and cleanses, paraben-free, aloe, vitamin E, chamomile, flower extract. It's a 10-pack, so I really love the all-black packaging with the pink. I'm just going to give them a quick smell. They aren't too heavily scented, which I definitely enjoy. It says paraben-free, made in China, so that's really cool that we got makeup wipes. I didn't know Ricky's had their own, like, makeup line. That's something that I didn't know. So yeah, we got makeup wipes. That's cool. So that was everything on top of the bubble wrap. There's 2 more things underneath the bubble wrap. So that's where I'm digging from now. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this tube. I really want to know what's in this tube. It says LA Splash Cosmetics Vanishing Potion number 33 Waterproof Makeup Remover. Okay, we have another cool package. So I really love the vampy vibes that I get. I love this color green. I hope you guys can see. It looks metal, but it just feels like cardboard. But this is so cool. I wish it wasn't so shiny so you guys could see, but I really love the green pattern at the bottom. It says coconut concoction. Okay. So this is oh my god. I thought it was going to be some kind of stick, but it's not. We've got a little vial in here that is green. I am literally screaming right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, hold on. kind of shake it up and it turns like more green. Or maybe it's just the bottom glass. I don't know. Can you guys like see that like part of it is green? Like this part right here is green and this part's clear. I'm gonna try shaking it up more. Yeah, I feel like maybe it's the glass that's like, that's got this like green ombre to make the entire like bottle of liquid look green. So I'm just gonna put a little swatch of it back here. That is such a pretty color. I'm shook to the freaking core right now. This, like, mind blown, guys. Okay, so here's the lipstick. We're gonna give it a second to dry. We will come back to this because we do have one more product to unbox. So I'm just gonna go put it back in its original packaging, which is so cute. I literally cannot wait to check out this brand's like website. I am literally freaking out right now. Okay. Oh, please do not drop on the floor. Please do not. Okay. So last but not least, I'm pulling out this thing. It says Glamazon Beauty Cream Highlighter. Oh my gosh. Okay, this says cruelty free. So that's cool. It'd be really cool if we got a highlighter. Okay. Boom. By Kimmy Baker. Okay. So here is our cream highlighter in Golden Goddess. And we have a nice size mirror that comes with it too. So this is cream. I really don't want to touch it because it's like nice and smooth and even. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I feel so bad that I'm messing it up. Oh my god. Okay, so here is our gold highlighter. Let's swatch it on the back of our hand. Okay, I feel like I definitely need to go in more because I don't feel like that really got me a lot of like payoff. So I'm just gonna go in and actually like go ham and pick up some color on the back of my finger. There we go. Okay. I mean, that's pretty. I have oily skin. Cream highlighter is not really something that I should wear because oil, like, guys, look at how greasy I look. And what is on my forehead? I don't even know. My makeup's a mess right now. But, like, as you guys can see, I have very greasy skin. I definitely need to, like, touch up my makeup because I look greasy. However, I think this would be really pretty as a base for, like, gold eyeshadow, or maybe somebody who has dry skin. I'm not mad at it. Like, I've never really worked with cream highlighter, but I know that cream products and oily skin do not mix. I love the color. I love how much we got. Like, that's a lot in there. Like, here's the size of my palm, and here's the pan that we got. It's big. We got a nice mirror that came with it. The packaging is cute. It's from a brand I've never heard of, which is exciting. And it's really, really, it's very reflective, actually. I'm, like, mad that I have oily skin. I'm blaming myself for having oily skin. This is so pretty. Okay, so now that we have allowed this lipstick to dry and we have highlighter on the back of our hand, let's go in and see the power of this makeup remover. Okay, so I just have a clean cotton pad, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a couple of drops out of this vial. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. So I'm gonna put 3. 1, 2, here's 3. Okay. And then I'm just gonna, boom. It would help maybe if I got better quality cotton pads. I got these from like the dollar store and they're not that great. They fall apart literally in an instant. Okay, so I just use, okay, wait, hold on. Before we say anything, before I go into anything, my arms are sunburnt. So if you see pink, it's literally because my arms are sunburnt. Where I had the initial kiss print, or I mean swatch, there is still a little bit of staining left. However, that's normal for me when I wear darker lipsticks. I would go in anyway with my micellar water to get the highlighter off. That worked really well. I did have to do a tiny bit of scrubbing to get the liquid lipstick off. However, I don't know how like long wearing this formula is. I've never used it before. So I can't be like, yeah, that's because of the lipstick, or yeah, that's because of the makeup remover. However, it did remove the highlighter well, so I think this would be nice to get like all of this off. Maybe not lipstick though. My hand does feel a tad bit more hydrated, not greasy. My hand definitely felt dry, but now it feels like hydrated and like not dry and like gross feeling. It just feels like my hand again because I got sunburned. That's why my hands feel dry. Okay, so I went into this video ready to break up with Ricky because I was already like a little distraught at how inconsistent they were. However, I think maybe is like what could have happened is they accidentally left too many people get into the non-waiting list, like too many subscribers join, and they ran out of boxes, and maybe they just had to like throw something together really quick. Maybe that's something that could have happened, or maybe they just actually are an inconsistent brand. However, I'm gonna stay on for another month. I was not gonna do it, but I am actually really happy with this box. So for $15, I got a gold cream highlighter. I got a makeup remover in amazing packaging. I got a bomb AF lipstick in amazing, like the packaging won my heart over. I got makeup wipes, and I got a lash serum. So let's do a little bit of reading. So, Smack Beauty Volumizing Lash Serum. Grow your lashes and feel summertime fine with the help of the serum. Not only does it condition your lashes for a lush look, Vitamin helps them grow naturally. Use daily for best result. The next thing that we have is the LA Splash Wickedly Divine Death Dealer. Just like your favorite summertime outfit, this lipstick is light, comfortable, and sure to turn heads. I agree with light and comfortable. Rock this tropical pop of color for a night out in the heat. I love the color. There's not one thing that I hate about this lipstick. I'm actually, like, once I'm done filming this video, I'm going to go check out this brand. I've never heard of them before, but I can't wait to see what other products they offer. I might end up doing a haul because I'm literally so hyped about this brand. The next product they're talking about is the LA Splash Vanishing Potion. When your makeup is trying to have a staycation on your face, remove it with this miracle product. Aloe and vitamin C leaves your skin feeling smoother and hydrated after, which is exactly what I experienced on the back of my hand. Next, we have the Glamazon Cream Highlighter. Enhance your sun-kissed complexion with natural-looking highlight. Apply the top of your cheekbones, down the center of your nose, and anywhere natural light would hit. And last but not least, we have the Ricky Care Cleansing Wipes. A travel essential, these wipes remove makeup, tone, and cleanse your skin. Made with aloe, vitamin E, chamomile flower extract, they'll keep you feeling cool even when things heat up. So for $15, I have to almost say, I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I feel like in excitement terms, I feel like this box beat my BoxyCharm this month. I don't even want to say it, but I feel like in terms of like the level of excitement that I felt, I have to say this box beat BoxyCharm. Ricky's Cold Crushes beat BoxyCharm. I didn't think anything would ever beat BoxyCharm. And really, in all honesty, it's thanks to these two products from LA Splash. I can't believe I've never heard of this brand. But these two products definitely beat out the excitement I felt when I got the eyeshadow palette in BoxyCharm. Like, I'm still, like, it's almost equal. However, I'm kind of shocked because I already have expectations for BoxyCharm. I already expect them to be absolutely amazing. And I was expecting to be disappointed with this. And if I'm going to be completely honest, like, I was expecting to be disappointed with Ricky's Cold Crushes. But they wowed me away with these two products. I'm not disappointed in anything in this box. They gave me they actually gave me, like, 1, 2, 3 skincare items and 2 makeup products. But, like, this is a makeup remover. And, like, the Lash is, like, it's not skincare, but it's like makeup care. I don't know really what category to put that in, but they're like 3 self-care items and like 2 makeup products, and the packaging for these is absolutely amazing. I'm so grateful that they introduced me to this brand because I'm in love with both things that they sent me. So overall, I'm absolutely wowed by this box. Like, way to go. I hope you guys are a consistent brand. I hope you guys like keep sending these types of boxes because like this is a quality box. I don't even know if anybody from Ricky's and my like crushes is listening, but like if you are, good job on this box. And I'm really excited to see what you guys have in plan for next month's box because I am shook to the core, guys. So what was your favorite item in the box? What did you think of this month's box? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.